Pharmacies and supermarkets are some of the critical amenities that will remain open during this time. Updating the location and opening hours of these amenities is particularly important. Street level imagery or local knowledge will be needed to confirm these details, as satellite imagery is not sufficient. Focus on an area you're familiar with or an area with enough street level imagery to discern the type and location of shops. In this particular example, we're toggling the Mapillary image layer alongside Point Lonsdale Road, which is missing points of interest like the local supermarket and pharmacy. First, we're going to add the location of the supermarket, which becomes clearer when looking at the nearest Mapillary image. Opening hours are also helpful, and they are available on the supermarket's website, so I will add those as well. This will appear in applications such as OSMand and Maps.me. Now we're going to add the pharmacy. Again, I'm going to pull up the nearest Mapillary image to find out the name of the pharmacy and where the pharmacy should be placed. The local government business directory shows the phone number and address of the pharmacy, so I will add those details as well and save my change set. I do not know the hours of the pharmacy, but this is something I could check with a field mapping survey, or I could leave a comment so that someone else passing by might note down the hours.